knows that eyes look for love. So take away the flowers that he'll give me. There isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, oh, so seem to be, but they're only imitations, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would bring a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red roses made of paper. There isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper